Here's the quickest and easiest way I found to restore these mid-century modern style furniture legs to their bare wood state, similar to this. Let me show you. Start out by grabbing a drill. I'm using my trusty DeWalt, and then open up the spot where you would put the drill bit and then insert the furniture leg. And then you're gonna wanna twist it and tighten it until it's snug and lock it in place. Then you're gonna grab an electric sander. I'm using my Surf Prep 3x4 electric ray, and you basically hold the sander still and then just turn the drill on and it turns the furniture legs for you. This makes sure that you're not staying on any one spot for too long, so it flattens the curve on the legs or misshapes it, and it ends up taking the finish off way quicker than it would by hand. If there's any tiny spots left over at the end, you can always grab a piece of sandpaper and finish those off by hand and just make sure that everything is nice and smooth and looking great. After about a minute's time, this is what we're left with and it's looking great. Make sure you're following for more furniture tips and tricks.